Got all the rough plumbing in. Toilet. Shower. Vanity. Right, this is all graded out now. This came in here for, this will eventually be a kitchen. Right, like we talked about. In here, laundry, right? Vanity, toilet, shower. All right in here. We're out there working on the boiler, I believe, right now, the boiler wall.
So now, show me that on the board.
And then the kitchen island will come out to here. So this will be for the vanity, or the sink. Right? The garage wall is still built. Head outside here. I don't know if they shouldn't have covered it up. I don't think it's been inspected yet. Yeah. It's everything out here. Added a clean out. Obviously that goes into the center room for the island. And then that's the new, where the pipe's going to go in. Well, that's another clean out, I believe, right there. Right. Yeah. A couple different ones. Another clean out right there before it goes into the main bathroom / laundry area over there. So, yeah, it's getting there. Like I said, they're working on the boiler wall right now. Mounting it up. Wall's framed, and they're going to put everything on. Then they'll run the PEX. So we're in the room that all the subfloor needed replaced, right? So we added a bunch of joists under here. Added new plywood, right? Same with over here. Joyce strengthened them up, sistered them up, and added blocking. So just need more subfloor here. And all of the styrofoam is in to prevent heat loss when the new pad comes in and the PEX is in, right? So here's the new boiler board. All the electrical ran, right? And it's all ran underneath all this. So you can see there's a spot over there. Over here, a couple spots where it comes up underneath this garage wall where all this stuff's in. So this will be the island, right? Drain. I think I already have this on video, I forget. But this is the range for the electrical stove. Electrical here. Right here, kind of, I don't know why that's there. I don't know. I forget. Yeah, see, it was just sitting there. What else I need to show you? But now that the insulation is down, oh yeah, so where this service hooks up, right? This is 100 amp service here. Everything's ran to the room, and then it'll connect, and then where it's supplied. So this is a bathroom too, right? Vanity, toilet, shower, right? So this is where the PEX heated floor will run for in here, right? We'll get to that. It's also in this hall. See that right here? That's where we can tie in the 2 points. But the electrical runs underneath right there where it comes in on the elbow, right? Runs all the way underneath here. Sneaked it all the way in. Comes up, connects in to a 100 amp breaker. So 100 amp service in the other room. And then everything else here will be supplied by what's on that panel. I think that's everything. And then, yeah, so that comes up for this room. To explain the zones, too, you're going to have kitchen and living room, which is kitchen here, living room here. Master, which is the master bedroom, which is everything over there. Master bath has its own zone. So So the master bath will be right there, obviously, right? And that'll include the closet. Then the Airbnb bath, which will be that room in there, which I'll show you in a second. And then that one will be the hallway, the 5th zone, which is this hallway and that bedroom. And then the 6th zone is that whole back room to the electrical panel. So each bathroom has its own zone. So bathroom and laundry, right? So laundry will get, this wall will be framed in and it'll be added in. This will be where the new shitter goes, shower and vanity. And that's where everything's on. So that's why this is coming up. It has its own zone. There's cords in there for a zone in there. And then that other one that I showed you up where we put the new piece of plywood. So you got 3 zones. The 1, 2, and the 3. And then another zone the other zones will come up once they connect them, right? And I think this is gas for a fireplace because there will be a wall here so they can have a fireplace in the living room. And then you can see here sort of where the conduit comes up, all the electrical all the way throughout. And then this is going to get a pad of concrete. I should have video that my dad took that I can dub in either before this or I don't know if I'll just scratch it. The concrete will come up all the way up to here, right? And then over here and there will be the garage. And then this is a framed in rough doorway for the door coming out to the garage. So this will be at a lower level, so exhaust fumes and everything, right? It'll basically be to there. This will all be concrete. Like I said, I think I already explained. This is the drain for the kitchen, the island. Yeah. Almost all the electrical, all the plumbing, all the heating. The heating will go above this. It'll get a mat, and then we'll run all the PEX, and then pour will be on Friday. Today is Tuesday. So, and this will be for exterior lighting. Like I said, this pad will come all the way up to that. Basically, to only like an inch or two below that door. So, yeah. I think that's everything. I went over everything. It's all tangled underneath this foam. And obviously the foam, like I said, it's a barrier to keep the heat above. So when all the PEX is in here and it heats the slab up, that it doesn't go into the ground. So it's that. It's all hooked up, these zones. And each pump is for each zone. So kitchen and living room, master bath, guest bath, hallway and bedroom, and then old kitchen or whatever room there back by the breaker. I don't know if the order is exactly right, but that's it. So.
There's the PEX systems all in, and the glide call is in all the PEX system. That's the yellowish green color glide call. It's put in the PEX system, so if the temperature gets down to freezing for some reason, like the boiler dies or quits when I'm not here, or if we're on vacation or something, or on for a while, and the boiler quits, the glycol in the system won't freeze, and therefore it won't break the PEX lines. There's a living room, kitchen, and bedroom area. Now here's the other bathroom / laundry room. All filled with glycol.